Tampines Changkat Toastmasters Club proudly present with impact. This workshop will be happening on Friday 3rd, 10th, 17th, and Saturday 25th November. For our members, if you have been a Toastmaster member and you feel like your speaking skills are plateauing, please join this workshop. And for our guests, I'm sure you are here to learn some public speaking skills. So this is also the right time to join this workshop. You can learn more from all our trainers, Kin, Haider, Niraj. We also have Naira, our Madam President Tui, and Chris. And how much does it cost? So these are the price for workshop plus 5 months club membership is 258. So this is very excellent and effective pricing because we give you a discount of $50 registration fee. And workshop only is 178. For club members, this month we have early bird price, which is 138. So please contact me, join this workshop, because if just now borrowing Haider's question, would you rather join Tampines Changkat Toastmasters Club or Present with Impact workshop?
We don't do choices.
Okay, so back to Toastmasters.
Thank you.